Tidure kita covernya recording kan ini sebenarnya oh sini looks cái giờ là hai người có thời gian đâu có khủng lục bộ có công chuyện rồi ring được thì cho tao không rồi Dr. DJ Benji This your love from the first sight, but my first sight for you is my first fight. I never thought that this kind of angel will fill my heart like tsunami tide. If I am a Superman, you be my kryptonite. You have the smile that every girl dreamt and cried in a pillow every night. It's obvious, words can define imperfection. And if I had you, every night I would be the man of action. You think waist high heels with red chicks. Your underwear is more gorgeous than the other chicks. Is this my dream or reality? It's all double mix. I know that he did it on purpose. To Dr. DJ Benji. Take a rock, my blood. It took my wine to throw a tour. The mellowing, a throw. I'm in love, I'm in love. Okay, these songs really get to my lyricals. Rosuga, Goda and Rosa. Kissing you would be my favorite hobby. Breathtaking, shoot me and you in the dictionary. Not so long ago, I was alone and lost, and then you came along, and now it's on. If you had the music in my phone, you would always be my favorite ringtone. Yo, roses are red, violets are blue, and because of you, my heart is about to be completely out on my chest. Knowing that we'll be with me forever, it's like hitting the jackpot. I'm a winner, yeah, Range Rover, yeah, game over. Are you a camera? Cause every time I see you, I wanna smile. Yeah, seriously, even for miles. Nothing more to get drunk, and I really, really love getting drunk. You know what? I really, really drunk in love. Dr. DJ Benji, take a rod to my blood. With that, Zini hit who let on is so we're going to paper to here. Thank you.